Hello and welcome back to another railway station video. The time now is 8:25 p.m. I'm at New Southgate station. Just missed the first couple of trains. One was going to Peterborough from Horsham, and this one's just coming from Moorgate on a Great Northern trip to Welwyn Garden City. And I'm about to have something pass by. I don't know which one it is. I need to get the app up. Current temperature showing is 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, the first train that's just pulled in is a class 717 working Great Northern service to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City. And that train has come from Horsham going to Peterborough. I made a mistake earlier on. It's the train that went by me earlier on this side is was a whole train's Paragon 802 going to working a trip from London King's Cross to Hull. I need to get the app up first. No. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. (8:27 p.m) I think I better put my phone in my left hand. The next train to roll through is going to class 717 working the Thameslink trip from Cambridge to London King's Cross. Actually, that train that just went by was meant to be the. Oh no! It's not showing up on here. I don't think. One thing to mention that we've had the heads up for from TfL recently is that this part of the Great Northern route that runs from Moorgate and London King's Cross is due to be taken over by London Overground services. I don't know when, but it's currently in the planning stages. Which if that's going to be the case, trains will be taking over the Northern City line, which is this line, and also the Hertford Loop line all the way up to. But it'll be taking over both routes from the Great Northern, from the Great Northern Company. This one, which leads up to Welwyn Garden City, and the Hertford Loop line that goes all the way to Stevenage via Hertford North. There's a double-decker. Departing outside the station on a 221 trip from Edgware to Turnpike Lane Underground. It's just rolling by. And in 1 minute we're going to have a class. We're going to have a class 700 rolling by on that side over there. That's going to be working a Thameslink trip from Peterborough to Horsham. And in it comes. That's pretty ignorant. And he's got the back cab on. Waste of electricity, that is. I'd like to point out that just behind the wall here, over there, is the Princess Park Manor estate, where the boy bands McFly and One Direction live. I think I could just see another bus there, but I don't know what route that is. There might be a 382 that's working a trip from Southgate to not this Southgate, the old Southgate where the Piccadilly line stops, to Mill Hill East, the Millbrook Park estate, and just about to turn around. We've got something coming in. This is going to be an a Lumo, a class 803 that's working a Lumo trip from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. It's going to be a 5-car set. Oh! Where did that come from? Let's see where it came from. Oh shit. Ah. Oh, that LNER that just went by is working a trip from York to London King's Cross. It's just running about It's just running about a few minutes late. That's all. Okay, the next train to pass by in 1 minute is going to be. It's going to be a Class A1 operating an LNER trip from London King's Cross to Newcastle. Look at that. In she comes. Wait, he waved! Wow! Another train with the driver to leave his back cab light on. Alright, I think the next train on platform 1 it's going to London King's Cross, and that's a 387. That's come from, I believe, Letchworth. I have to check first. Just wasn't showing up. Oh, it's come from Royston. It's just running about a couple of minutes late. That's all. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of Class 700s working a Thameslink trip from Brighton to Royston. It's just running about a minute late. Oh shit. Try and get a horn. Oh well. That was very naughty of me. Okay, just to point out, the 2043 LNER intercity 225 set service is now running very late, and it'll be here by it'll be expecting to pass here by 8:53. It's now saying, oh shit. Well, it is running about a few minutes late, so who knows? It might just pop out from out of nowhere. Oh, here it comes. It's not got many passengers on tonight. Oh, that was not expected. I think that was I don't know. I don't know where it's going to. This one's going to be working a Thameslink trip from Brighton to. No, it's coming in. Oh, sorry, I read it wrong. It's come from Royston to Brighton. I think I might as well get one more train. Hopefully it will be the Great Northern service from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City. And then move on to some buses. Oh shit, that just made me jump! A fireworks. But now, okay, the next train that's due to pass by in 2 minutes is going to be working. It's going to be a class A109. It's working a trip, an LNER Azuma trip from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Hang on, is this it? Is there something passing by on platform 4? Ah, sorry, I wasn't listening. That's going to be a Great Northern class 387 that's working a trip from London King's Cross to Royston, and this is the one I believe we saw earlier. Nice peace out sign from the driver. Okay guys, the time now is 8:50 p.m. And the 8:58 LNER Azuma service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross is running about 6 minutes behind schedule. So, and there's a Grand Central service. There's a Grand Central service that's also running very late, but it's going to be passing by at 8 minutes past 9, but I won't be here. So my next the next train's going to have to be the final one, and this will be working a trip from Great Northern trip from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City on a Class 717 unit. Oh shoot, just missed that one. Well, it's coming to the end of Christmas, so that's why they've set off their fireworks pretty much early. That might have come from Leeds or something. It's just not showing up. But that was not expected by the way. Okay, I think the final two trains for this video. The time now is 8:55, and this one's just pulling in 1 minute early. Working it's a Class 717 working a trip from beep beep. Oh no. I'm now going to go outside and get some buses on camera, so do not go anywhere. I could just about see another one come in. As a bonus, oh, thank you! That was very, very naughty of the driver. Now being overtaken by something that's come from Edinburgh Waverley. Alright, I will see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm at the bus stop outside the station. Time now is 3 minutes past 9. Let me just see what road we're on. I know this is Station Road or something. We're on the A109. Where we're going to be catching some buses running up and down, going to a wide variety of destinations. This will include Arriva. They'll be operating their 221 services between Edgware and Turnpike Lane, and go ahead London on route 382 between Turnpike Lane and St Raphael's, and Metro Line on the 382 from between oh my god, Southgate and Millbrook Park. That's it. She's really attractive. Okay, the first bus that's just about to make an appearance is a go-ahead operating a 232 trip from St Raphael's to St Raphael's Estate from Turnpike Lane via Brent Cross. That 221 just went by. Oh well, never mind. Thank you! I still hear some more fireworks going off. Oh well. Another firework that just went off that nearly gave me a heart attack just now. Oh Jesus, watch what this dickhead is doing. And another bus has just turned up on the 232 trip from Turnpike Lane to St Raphael's Estate. I'm going to go home and charge my battery. I was going to go on to Burst Park tonight, but I don't think I will now because I've now got a low battery. Currently flashing up on my camera at the minute, and also it's due to the lack of time. I have to check my phone later. The time is now 14 minutes past 9, and the next bus is just arriving in now. Is a hybrid, a River London. That's working a 221 trip from Turnpike Lane to Edgware via Wood Green.